Rear seating and sleeping. If you have ordered a Legacy Elite 2 standard floor plan, you will find a rear dining table with seating that can be converted to a bed. To convert the rear seating area into a bed, you will need to retrieve the filler panel from the closet. You will find it Velcroed to the left wall. Lift the tabletop off the legs and set it aside. Turn the collar of the table legs clockwise to loosen. Next, turn the leg counterclockwise to remove it. Take the tabletop and slide it along the edges of the curbside and street side seating areas. Use the filler panel to fill the extra space in the front. Now simply move the back cushions to fill the space. Reverse the steps when you want to use the rear dining table again. If you ordered a Legacy Elite 2 twin bed floor plan, you will find a rear nightstand that allows you to store personal items inside it. You will also find USB and 12-volt charging ports on both sides of the nightstand, along with 120-volt outlets. The two twin beds are 75 inches long by 30 inches wide.